There are a couple different ways to lock images in IRSA Viewer, and they do slightly different things. By default, they come up locked together for colors and overlays. That is, if I add an overlay to one image, it appears in all of them. And if I change the color table for one, it changes for all of them. If you want to change that, if you click on that option, then when you change the colors or overlays in one, it doesn't change it for all of them. But to lock it again, you select that option again, and then everything changes together. Similarly, the color stretch, everything is locked together for the color stretch. So if you change the color stretch for one, it changes it for all of them. And if you want to unlock it, that's how you unlock it. It does not, however, come up locked together by image, position, or coordinate. So you can align once by WCS, target, pixel origin, or by pixel at image center, or you can align and lock by WCS, by target, by pixel origin, or by pixel at by WCS. What that means is if I zoom in one, then all of them zoom together. If they are not locked by WCS, then zooming in one happens without zooming in all of them. Some tools that have the same look and feel do have them come up locked together by WCS. Some tools do not. But in any case, all of the tools that have this look and feel, as long as they have this lock icon, you can control whether or not they're locked or unlocked. There are situations where you have images loaded in, say, of a variety of galaxies, in which case you might want to align them by target as opposed to by WCS. But in general, aligning by WCS is probably the most common alignment that you might want to do. Remember too that there's lots of online help for this and other features in IRSA Viewer and similar tools.